What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're celebrating our anniversary, 3-year anniversary, and as you guys probably just saw, we just finished eating that Easy Sunday, something like that, Sunday Stroll, something like that.
Easy like Sunday.
Easy like Sunday. Pretty good restaurant, and we have an announcement to make, and just keep watching it if you want to see the announcement. See you guys at the next spot.
Bye.
Oh, whose S2000 is that? Pretty cool.
Black.
We have made it to location number 1, South Park Mall. You guys can probably see the big surprise right here.
Yeah.
But more on that in a little bit. So we're just now leaving Best Buy, and while we were trying to find a parking, there was this car that just pulled out, and just so happened to be a spot right next to a Type R. But would you look at that? It was like meant to be. I got to speak to the owner, and he was a super cool dude, and then we chatted for a while. And yeah, he's a pretty cool dude. I just found it so interesting that we just so happened to park right next to a Type R owner. But on to the next thing. Say hi.
Hi.
If we look closely, oh God.
Where is it?
Dun dun dun. Appetizer time.
Can't have this, but I can smell it.
So what'd you think about the Wagyu steak?
It was really good. That sauce will put me in labor. It's spicy.
You gonna eat all of that, bro?
I'm gonna try.
I got lamb chop lo mein. It smells so good.
I got how you say it? Prosciutto.
Prosciutto.
I got prosciutto and arugula pizza.
Time to dig in, son. Alrighty, guys. We just finished eating at Fahrenheit, and we're about to go tour the city at night. But not really tour the city, but when I say tour the city, I mean go to Target. So
Go to Target.
we're going to Target in Charlotte, and yeah.
This is called jaywalking. We're gonna do something illegal.
So in case you guys are wondering, we came all the way to Charlotte just to buy one specific book. Nah, I'm just kidding. We actually came to check out the Hot Wheels collection. And I found this. This is the only good thing there. And if it's Honda, you know I gotta buy it. So this is what we picked up. And yeah, this is a pretty good buy. So that's all I could find. So better than nothing. Welcome back, guys. As you saw in the last clip, we were... What's so funny? Welcome back, guys. So in the last clip, we were in Charlotte, but now we're back home. And so the big announcement is we're pregnant. It's kind of obvious, you've probably seen all the signs and all the hints and everything. But when I say we, I mean me, because I've been carrying a baby for the past 9 months. Week 38, it's really tough right now. So. I've been waddling now.
Sure it is.
Yeah,
let's see your waddle. Alright, this is my waddle.
But yeah. We're
everything baby here.
It's a girl. So she will be named Layla, and she will be joining us. I think joining us is the right term. She'll be welcome to this world.
She'll be joining
at
us.
February 1st or 2nd or something like that. So very close to that. And so with that good news come bad news, because now I have to sell all my cars. So
yay!
I'm just kidding.
I'm not gonna make him sell his cars. He's gonna have to get a soccer mom car now.
Just kidding, guys. So I do have the 4 doors. That's why I've got a 4-door family car. Just so happens to have a turbo in it. It just so happens to have one. Now life is gonna really change. We're nervous and excited all at the same time, and we're looking forward to seeing how this dynamic is gonna be now with a baby and crying and diapers and poop and throw up and baby food and diapers and more diapers and diapers again, because diapers is diapers and diapers. So.
And the joys of parenthood.
Yeah, so
there's some good into that too. It's not just that.
Sprinkle a little bit of good in there.
Yeah.
So, somewhere. But yeah, that is life now, and I will still try to make YouTube videos. Now you just probably hear some crying in the background. And
before you heard the dog.
Yeah, before you used to hear the dog, now you hear the baby. So that's the big news. Layla, did I mention the name? Well, the name is Layla. Layla Jade Duran.
Her full government name.
Full gov, you know. And Layla just so happened to be blessed and born into a Honda family. She already has the Honda heritage. She already has a Toyota RAV4. She already has the Honda heritage.
I love it. It's very economic.
I feel it. I feel a
she's
Honda.
Gonna want a Jeep, probably.
So
I'm just kidding.
I don't know what she's talking about. But
she's gonna. I'm just so excited to see what car she's gonna want for her decision.
Yeah. So I already got a bunch of Hot Wheels and stuff lined up for her, so she's in good hands. She's in good hands. So, but yeah, that is all the info we have for you right now. All the news, updates. So when baby's here, we will see what happens, and
we'll let you know.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Excuse me.